In today's video, I'm going to show how to create a Java programming project in the Eclipse IDE. If you do not have Eclipse installed or do not know what Eclipse is, watch my previous video. Begin by opening Eclipse by double-clicking on its icon on your desktop. You will remember this is the default location. Add a slash and then type in the name of your programming project. So I will use /program1. If you want to change the location, you can select this browse button and select a different location and then click launch. If this is a new workspace, you'll see the welcome window and you can go ahead and close that. And then on the left side panel, you'll see the top choice is to create a Maven project. Click that. Maven is an open source tool used by most Java projects, and we'll get into what exactly Maven is in later videos. Click this checkbox that says create a simple project and use the default location and click next. Fill in the group ID, artifact ID, and then version. For group ID, this is typically your domain name of your company reversed. If you don't work for a company, you can make one up. For me, I'll use my domain name com.java in a Jiffy. And then artifact ID is the name of your project. So in this case, I'll stick with my program1 and then click finish. Now on the left side, you'll see a project with the project name program1. Click this little arrow to expand it. And this is what a Maven project looks like. It has a source main Java and source main resources directories, as well as source test Java and source test resources directories. The first one we want to begin using is the source main Java directory. Right click on that and then select new and then package. So we want to create a package to put our Java files in. Start by using the name of your company. So I'm going to go with com.java in a Jiffy and then click finish. So now right click on this package and select new and then down to class. So most of the files in Java are called classes, and again we'll get into those more later. But for now, just name this class the same name as your programming project. Classes always begin with an uppercase letter. So in this case I'll name it capital P program1. And for most simple programming projects, you'll want to check this box down here, public static void main, so that this will automatically create a main method that you can begin coding with. So here you can see the location of the program and the name of the class, and then your main, these are called methods. So your main method, so the code inside of this main method is what will be executed. Let's do a simple one-line program, and this is to output some text. To do that, simply type system.out.println. And the nice thing about using an IDE such as Eclipse is that you can see it has autocomplete. Go ahead and do open parentheses and then double quotes. And then this is where you can enter in the text that you want to output. So typically in programming, the first thing that we do is we output hello world. And most statements in Java, not all of them, but most of them, end with a semicolon. So add the semicolon to the end. You'll notice if you miss it, it provides a red X and it tells you what you need to do. So you can see insert a semicolon. And then press Control S to save. And if you right click and select Run As Java Application and click that, a console tab will appear and now it says Hello World. And so you have now ran your first program. Join us for our next video to continue learning more programming concepts and ideas.